Here's a video that I've been wanting to make for quite some time. I went down to the dollar store and bought 9 items. The reason why I did that was to keep it under $10 so that I could put that in my title on the video. If it would have been 10 items, then I would have had to put $11 in there. Wouldn't have sounded as good. So maybe I'll put $9.99 in there and see if that works. But for $1 each one of these gloves. I've seen these in the store for $6 or $7. Rollers, $3 or $4. Level, you know what's that? And looks like it's a 1 foot level for $1. This might not be the high quality item. You know, it might not even be level. I haven't checked it. Sandpaper, again for $1. Stuff that, you know, if you think about it, these are all items you could put in your toolbox if you're a contractor. Rope. Someone else on the job might need it. A drop cloth, paint brushes, and of course paint brushes. You know, for $1, this one here, I'm guessing in the store it's going to be at least $5. And you know, some of these are just hard to wash. You might be using an oil-based paint, and this is going to be the way to go here. And just chuck it when you're done with it. Caulking for $1? Come on, you can't even get it. I don't even know if you can get it for under $3 anymore. So that is it for my video. Check out your dollar store if you're looking for some items that might save you some money. And I would also suggest checking out your dollar store for other stuff. I was shocked. I've been going to dollar stores probably for about 10 years now, and I'm shocked to see stuff into the store that's $1. I was in there the other day and they had a gallon of bleach for $1. In the store it's almost $4. So, you know, check it out.